According to NAR, the National Association of Realtors, less than 3% of homes sell with an open house. However, this technique is often used because learning digital marketing is difficult. In addition, the fear of technology can be overwhelming for many people. All of our properties receive a massive digital online footprint. As a result, our houses show up where buyers are looking, which, according to NAR, is online. In fact, 93% of buyers start their home search online. Hi, I'm Kurt Clements with eXp Realty in the far west suburbs of Chicago. Here's the problem. Most properties are sold the same way they were sold 10 years ago. But we specialize in using technology to share your house with thousands of people. And we can retarget our properties to people who have previously shown interest in a home similar to those we currently have for sale. And that property could be yours. Properly using digital marketing and social media is vital. And hiring a realtor who has mastered the ability to do so will equate to more money in your pocket. Creating a vast digital marketing footprint and targeting buyers is just as important to us as giving our sellers outstanding customer service. Even though homes are selling quickly, we still know that a lack of digital marketing and exposure will cost our sellers more money than they realize. Just as we won't slack off on our outstanding customer service, we won't slack on exposing your property to the masses. Everyone knows an agent, but all agents aren't created equally. So be sure to leave your most valuable asset in the hands of someone who is truly qualified to market, negotiate, and sell your home. So I've given you a lot to think about, and now I encourage you to go online and type in Kurt Clements Realtor. Look at all our 5-star reviews on Google, and we aim to give every client 5-star service and earn a 5-star review. Then, when you're ready, call us here at Kurt Clements Homes so we can put our money where our mouth is and get your home sold with the most amount of money in your pocket. In the meantime, we will continue to educate you on the local and national real estate markets, and we appreciate your time and can't wait to work with you. Thanks again for watching, and as always, we're here to help, and we'll talk with you soon.